that tweaked me out that the washing machine had a whole music melody.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
It's so good, y'all. See that? Ooh, baby. Dropping shit everywhere. Ooh, baby, yo. Oh. This gonna be so packed. It's packed with meat all the way down to the bottom. Man. Ain't nothing like a good beef taco. Nothing. This is my third one, y'all. My third one. And talk about me. It was good. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's your boy Shalane here, and I'm actually just about to finish a cleaning job. I just took out the garbage. So we have to clean up the entire laundry room, washed off all the machines, wiped down the walls, cleaned the walls as well. We had a lot of chip and paint, so we couldn't do too much. So we did all of that. Cleaned off all the machines over here, cleaned off all the walls, everything like that. They had a bathroom over there that needed to be cleaned. Not too much, it was just a toilet. Area over there. And that's where we keep all the supplies and stuff at. A little storage room over there. And this is the boiler room. And all the white doors that you see, if you see any white doors, those were also cleaned as well. We have to sweep up the boiler room, make it look nice and neat. But you can only do so much in the boiler room, but we did the best that we could. So it was a lot of stuff right here. We moved everything that was right here and put it over there. Also, cleaned the hot water tanks and everything like that. So all this was wiped down. I got on the ladder and cleaned on top of it as well. So, yeah, really not too much. Well, it was a lot, but y'all know what I mean. Clean the stairs off, all of that was swept up. So this is somebody's stuff that they gotta come get. Sorry I'm a little stuffy, but y'all know what it is, my sinuses. So cleaned all of this, cleaned all the walls. This is also a big laundry room over here too. I don't know if it's open, but it was a big laundry room up in here. So I cleaned that as well. I'm so tired, y'all. But the floor and stuff was swept. We just gotta do the final mop. All these white doors was cleaned, all these walls, everything was cleaned in here. Everything, 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 everything. So, all that floor was wet. But yeah, all this was clean, these walls, everything like that. So, I did this floor area myself. I cleaned the walls, I cleaned that door. It's a storm door right here. I don't know what that is, but I sprayed some Windex on there to clean that up as well. The dusting was done as well at the top. So all this was dusted. So all the piping and everything that y'all see was dusted before the cleaning was done. So just letting you in on a little bit of the entrepreneurship life. I've been in business for about 3 years now, and it's going good. So I'm grateful and thankful for that as well. So I need to clean it up. So go to my Instagram if you want to see more footage, because I'm gonna post some pictures and videos and stuff up. And I think that's it, right? But otherwise, everything is cool. I hope y'all enjoying this vlog that I've been giving y'all. I've been trying to give y'all footage. Like, this is really out of the norm for me, for me to give y'all footage like this. So, welcome to Shalane'S world. So, I'm grateful that we finally got done. It took this was a 2-day job. So we had to do the back stairways and everything because there's 8 floors. So we had to do 8 floors. And that was like tedious because this was an initial deep cleaning. So you had to get in every little crack, every crevice, everything. So it was well worth it. You know, it was well worth the money, everything. So I'm grateful. And I look forward to taking this new journey on with this contract because we got approved for it, it's signed off and everything. So I'm so grateful. And it's only up for here. So if I can give y'all any encouragement, just keep going, don't never give up. Because sometimes for the business, it felt like it was going up and down, up and down. But you know what? I can say it's been more ups than downs. So I'm grateful for that. So either way it go, I'll see y'all when I get home. Sorry if I'm sounding a little muffled. I told y'all I got getting over a little cold. And what's wrong? Getting over a little cold. So I probably drink some more tea when I get home, or I might have me a little drink. I don't know, depending on how frustrated I am. Yeah, that's really it, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, y'all, my bad. So I'm about to head out of here. And I don't know if y'all ever heard, these new washing machines had a whole music tone. Like it was a song on the washing machine. Like when it got done, it started like having a whole lullaby. So I don't know what's up with these new washing machines, but that's crazy. That tweaked me out that the washing machine had a whole music melody. Yeah, now I know if I showed y'all the lobby area that we do. This is the lobby right here, so it's nice and clean. I'm about to roll this out with me, so this is not about to be here, y'all, just to let you know. This is about to be moved. But this is the lobby area, and it smells real nice up in here. And we gotta always make sure this is clean. See how beautiful that floor looks. We just swept and mopped. About to finish cleaning up. But I just wanted to show y'all a quick little preview. They got out their little Christmas ornaments and stuff like that. One of the owners just asked us to turn the lights on for us. So turn the lights on and make it look all nice and stuff. And yep, that's really it. So I'm about to roll this outside because I'm about to go. And we'll see y'all on the next video. What's up, y'all? I'm in Jewels right now. In the hood. So, you know, they definitely looking in a motherfucking hood. I'm about to get some stuff for the house. I need some distilled water for my saline solution. I'm about to get some stuff for some nachos, like some jalapeno peppers and cheese and shit like that. And then that's probably gonna be it. So I'll try to get as much footage as I can. You know, people be looking like they looking at. So if I don't get nothing, then
I love you back.
Then I mean I just ain't getting nothing, okay? I'm talking too much and I'm looking around at all the food, so I can't concentrate. Well, I can concentrate, but you know. Either way it go, I'll see y'all ass in a minute.
We run the city.
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm feeling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never is. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge. To me it's painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the color blind is hanging with you? Fell on my face and I woke with a scar. Another mistake living deep in my heart. Wear it on top of my sleeve in a flick. I can admit that it didn't like yours. Why you resent? Have you making offense? Tell me your purpose is steady again. But even a small light, they can't burn a bridge. Even a small light, they can't burn a bridge. I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me. Just want to be famous. You can see that my shady found me. Then put me on the stage. To me, that's amazing. To you, that's a quick check. With all disrespect, let me say this. I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm feeling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Trying to keep it alive and not compromise the feeling we love. You're trying to keep it the vibe that only goes sour radio does. And I'm in the right pasture. We live in a world on 2 different axles. We live in a world, you're never behind the mirror. I know it just yet the feeling, emotions they carry ya. This shit is vital. I know you had that. This shit is vital. I know you had. Now you're the beautiful, hey. Tell me you're watching the change. It's way more believable.